In this problem, we're told that an arch for a bridge over a highway is in the form of a semi-ellipse. The top of the arch is 35 feet above ground, and that's the major axis. What should the span of the bridge be? And that's the length of the minor axis. If the height 28 feet from the center is to be 12 feet above ground. So I'll start by sketching a picture of this bridge. I've drawn the bridge, and you can see that the height at the center of that ellipse is 35 feet, and then we have half of the distance, or the span of the bridge. That's going to be b squared. So 35 must be a squared, and this distance must be b squared, because we're told that the span of the bridge is the length of the minor axis. So this is the minor axis of the ellipse, and so half that distance is b squared. So I'll set up my equation, and I'm assuming here that the center point on the ground is the point 0, 0 in the coordinate system. So I have an equation in the form x squared over b squared, because that's a horizontal distance, plus y squared over 35 squared equals 1. Now we're told that the height 28 feet from the center is to be 12 feet above ground. So that means we have some point on this ellipse, and the coordinates are 28, 12. So 28 is our x value. I'm going to plug that into my equation. So I have 28 squared over b squared plus 12 squared over 35 squared, and that all equals 1. So at this point I just need to solve for b squared. So I get b squared is roughly 888, and that means that b is approximately 29.8. And since we need the total span of the bridge, I'm going to double b. So the span is 2 times 29.8. And that would be 59.6. So the span of the bridge is 59.6 feet. And that's the end of that problem.